All right, folks, and this morning, something to smile about. We will take turns bouncing and trying to catch as many balls as we can in our bucket. Guys.
So why you don't make me bounce it into your bucket?
No, because, so this is a plan. We're supposed to do something
look back
like
of us, we're going to jab. What? That not bad.
We see you now.
We can't does it.
Well, you're down one, love.
What is the strategy? Wait, now talk me through the strategy.
No, why? You beat me this morning, you know.
True. Bad man, I good.
Wait.
Do that again. Nev, do that again, let me see.
All right, come.
Do it again, let me see.
Two, love. Your time.
Oh,
why you use your left hand?
Out of town.
Why you use your left hand?
I asked you to tell me the strategy. So right hand is the strategy, and then, okay. Guys, how do you do that? Oh, you bounce it and then you.
Chill, love. Dun 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 dun.
Oh man, I don't know how to get it right. Go on again.
For love.
Watch it by the bitty. Did it catch? It lick off the rim? Nev, how do you do that? You play this at home? You're boring at your yard? This is not working for me. I'm not spatially aware.
Wait, no.
It catch in between the. See there? Come again. Again. How you get this in there, sir? Oh, gone. Road. Thanks, Jobo. How does I must get even one in here. That no bad.
5-1.
We can't catch 5. Outer road. Get your enemy there. This will make it dizzy, you know. Watch out. Wait, now you got 2 balls.
6.
The 2 balls attack. Close. High. Why give us these impossible games, Sean Zabu? All I'm doing is feel like I'm playing Dandy Shandy. Let me see how much. Shona, we cannot do this for 5 minutes more. All right, come. Your turn. Ready? Turn your back. I'm better with your bucket than I am with mine. Oh, apparently not. Hey! Huh? Oh, you want me to do it with the ball?
Bones. 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 Bones.
I'm trying to throw the ball in there, you keep bouncing. How am I going to get the ball inside your bucket if you keep...
Bones. Bones.
Oh, there's a lot of balls to clean up.
Bones.
All right, you come over my side now.
Bones. 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 Bones.
Here.
Bones.
Cue up the track again. Ready?
Let me tune there.
Ready?
Hey, me run out of music. All right.
Chuck. What you do the book? Ah!
Hold on, my tune start again.
So you have to dance? Oh! Look! I helped you. Hey!
Bongs. 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 Bongs.
You win, you know? You win.
Bongs.
For the dance alone.
Bongs.
Alright. How this dance go again?
You know what's
So,
doing? Bongs.
You can't breathe.
Bongs.
Alright folks, that is it for
Bongs.
something to smile about.
Bongs. 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 Bongs.
Oh! You're still bouncing.